Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the H4 bulb on the full and dipped beams, remove the cover on the radiator side. Take the black power terminal and pull on it. To remove the bulb, you must simultaneously push inwards and pull to the right. This will free the hook from the holding spur. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on. Put the parking light bulb back in and remove the cover on the car body side. Take the black power terminal and pull on it. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the indicator lights, remove the lower cover. Make a quarter turn anti-clockwise, taking hold of the grey tab and pulling on the hull. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the rubber cover back on. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.